Ladies and gentlemen, the day is finally here. I mean, this is insane. I am so excited about this. I've been making crypto content for 3 years, been talking about XRP for well over 3 years. We finally have the news. I don't think that it's new news to anyone at this current moment in time. Yes, Gary Gensler will be stepping down as the SEC Gov Chair. I don't even need to read the rest of this because it doesn't even matter to me. But this is very exciting. We have to talk about it. We're going to be addressing it. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. So like I said, yes, I have been making crypto content for well over 3+ years. The thing that I really want to mention around that is I haven't been this bullish in the entirety of me being in crypto, which is much longer than 3 years, but also of me making crypto content. And XRP today is more bullish than ever before. Trading volume up 219%, sitting pretty at $21.62 billion. XRP trading over $1.40, hit $1.50 at some point in time. Guys, I am so excited. But on top of that, I want all of you to completely block, unfollow, and never listen to a single person that told you that the SEC was not suppressing the price of XRP. For the last 3 years, I've outlined on this channel the damages done by the SEC, how XRP missed one of the biggest bull markets in history, which was back in 2020 and 2021. Don't worry, this bull market will be much bigger, but XRP was suppressed. It was held down. It was delisted from all major exchanges. And all of that did a 180 in the last year. I said that they were all wrong. And it clearly shows with XRP trading around $1.50. Alt season hasn't even officially started yet. And at this rate, I wouldn't be surprised to see a retest of the all-time high by the end of the year. With Gary Gensler completely gone out of the picture, there is no pressure at all on XRP. And I did mention something on XRP yesterday, which was the fact that XRP is unstoppable from this point on. No obstacles, all price action. Guys, the trading volume is up significantly, like I mentioned. When we look at the XRP price chart, it has officially broken out of my first key level, and that was $1.32. Getting a nice strong candle close over this will send it to the next level, which is the 2021 highs, guys. This is insane. Absolutely insane. So as we look at the price of XRP, I don't think that you guys will say, oh, XRP is doing absolutely nothing, especially considering the fact that if we actually look at this chart, since going back to just November 5th, November 8th, right? Look at this. It's up 197%. Now, I know that a lot of you are going to say, oh, well, it's up 197%, but there's other altcoins that are up X and, so amount. But guess what? They don't have the market cap of XRP. They're not in the top 10. XRP is one of the largest projects in the space, and it's currently going parabolic. The last 7 days, it's up 60%. If we go to the top gainers and losers in the last 30 days, guys, XLM is number 2, XRP is number 4. This is just the beginning too. Because like I said, alt season is not here yet. Bitcoin dominance is still well over 60%, which this should tell you exactly where we are headed, okay? Because, we go all the way back to 2020 and 2021. Okay, here we have 2020 into 2021. Guys, dominance was sitting at about roughly almost 74%. It crashed and plummeted all the way down here to about 39%. Now, I outline this because we are at these significant highs. We're nearing some major Fibonacci retracement levels. I do believe that we are getting very close to alt season officially beginning. And if we're looking at XRP trading at about $1.40 or so now, when alt season hasn't even officially hit this space, how high do you think XRP is going to go? I don't think that it's just going to go to its previous all-time high and then sell off. I also don't believe that XRP is going to top out around $5. I told you guys, my initial targets are about $5 to $7. But those are conservative price predictions. We could go significantly higher. We could go to 10 to 20, 20 to 30 like everyone was calling for back in 2020 and 2021. Nobody is going to be able to call this perfectly, but I will say this. The initial targets we should take profits from. Yes, we should profit from XRP all the way up to about $10. After that, it's all icing on the cake. But right now, if we actually look at Fiat Leak, guys, look at how insane this is. I mean, almost 3 million XRP traded in the past minute. This has been surging from around roughly like 1.5 million. I saw yesterday actually on the news that broke, almost 5 million XRP was being traded per minute at some points in time. That's insane to me. Bitcoin, $98,000. I mean, guys, let's go back. Let's just go back like 3 months ago or a month ago. Everyone around crypto was so negative. What a change in scenery overnight, right? It's absolutely insane. And as we look at XRP, by the way, everything has changed overnight. If you don't believe me, it's okay. You don't have to. But if we're really looking at the price of XRP, it has surged significantly. Now that Gary Gensler is gone from the SEC, all the pressure is off. And now I do believe that from this point on, innovation, utility, it's all going to thrive significantly. And that is very bullish for XRP. The last roughly month has been something very, very exciting, especially for, XRP holders, but also for crypto holders in general. Because we are about to witness a complete 180 from the whole anti-crypto agenda, from the whole, crypto is this, crypto is that, to embracing crypto. And if we're thinking about that, Ripple being a public company in the US with, XRP under its belt, where do you think XRP goes? And talking more so about that, check this out from November 21st. Big shout out to Bank XRP. Reuters, November 21st, a slew of crypto companies, including Ripple, Kraken, and Circle, are jostling for a seat on President-elect Donald Trump's Promised Crypto Advisory Council. And yeah, this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. We are watching a complete change in scenery. We are witnessing history because what we are starting to see is crypto being embraced in the US. And from this point on, innovation is going to erupt. Yes, we have been focused on Ripple for so long, and it's because this is one of the largest US-based crypto companies. Outside of exchanges, outside of stablecoin issuers, Ripple has always been an absolute giant in the room among the rest. And now, with the SEC out of the picture, guess what? Ripple just becomes much bigger. And I do believe that we are brewing for a much larger move on XRP. We have the first initial breakout on the XRP Bitcoin pair as well here. And again, while everyone was getting bearish on XRP going all the way back to April, back to June, I kept showing you guys this trend line going all the way back to 2017, 2018. This is where we start to see those big impulsive moves off the lows. And that's exactly what we are starting to see here. And also XRP dominance getting close. It's getting very, very close to this top trend line level. Guys, the only 2 times in the last, major bull runs that we've actually saw this was back here in November of 2020. Guess what? That was when the SEC announced the lawsuit against Ripple. For example, this is November 2020. Boom. Massive sell-off. Suppressed the price action of XRP. XRP lost a ton of dominance. The only other time that we retested this was in July, right, of 2023 when we got XRP is not a security. And now we are getting very close to this point in time again. If you are holding XRP, you want to watch this closely. And no, I don't think that we're going to just smash through it. We might have a retest, right? Something like this. before we smash through it. But guys, I do believe that this is the time in the market where we do finally smash through this. And if we're thinking about that, right, dominance is already at 2.5%. It's only going to rise. As price action on XRP heats up more and more, as innovation continues to thrive, as Ripple gets more and more accepted, XRP, specifically dominance, is set to erupt. Now, outside of all of this, I do have to put a spotlight on Bitcoin because, listen, altcoins are starting to have some strong moves. Everyone is witnessing this in the top 500. You can see it in the last 30 days as well. There's a lot of projects here. There's a lot of projects here that are also meme coins, but there is a lot of solid projects. The number one thing that I want everyone to realize is that, you know, Bitcoin is still just under $100,000. It is one of the biggest psychological levels for Bitcoin to actually break over, which is 100K. I want you guys to realize that retail is not here yet. Okay, yes, there's a large amount of retail investors here, but I'm talking about the retail flood. It's not here yet. When Bitcoin breaks $100,000 and mainstream media is nonstop talking about crypto, nonstop talking about Bitcoin, that's when the flood comes back. That's when Bitcoin dominance starts to top. This is brewing for the largest, not only XRP moonshot in history, but it's also brewing for the largest crypto moonshot in history. We are about to watch one of the largest bull markets ever. And yes, I'm still talking about 2020 and 2021. This is going to be much bigger than that. And I know that I sound extremely bullish, but it is because I am. And I am bullish because you can clearly see everything that has aligned perfectly for this market to erupt. With the Trump administration accepting a lot of these US-based companies, getting into discussions with a lot of these US-based companies, and also pushing for new, crypto advisory roles, pushing crypto forward, realigning the regulatory bodies. We now have Gary Gensler stepping down. Let me ask you all this. Okay, was there ever a time in history that the overall market was this bullish? The answer is no. I don't care if you go back to 2020 and 2021 and try to figure out and find, a more bullish time in history for crypto. You're not going to. You're not going to, and it's because of everything that has happened in the last 12, 24 months, from, the biggest players like BlackRock accepting tokenization to, regulatory shifts happening around the world. I mean, I could not be any more bullish, any more excited, and ultimately, guys, this is just the beginning, and I'm so happy that all of you are here on this journey with me. You guys are witnessing the same exact thing that I'm witnessing. I'm sure that a lot of you are also getting pretty excited. So I'm just happy to finally start to see these moves paying off, because this is exactly what we have been waiting for well over 3+ years. This is exactly why, I kept telling you guys, yeah, at one point in time, the biggest suppression around XRP, which was the SEC, is going to be out of the picture. And we finally got that in the last 24 hours. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys definitely leave a like, subscribe to notifications on, if you guys more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.